In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Now scroll down again, click on Font Size and Style, go into Font Style, and tap on any font you wish to apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that style of my text has changed. If you want to try something else, go back to the same settings, but this time select the download fonts at the bottom of the list. Then download the best one for you by clicking on this icon next to it, or clicking on it and hitting install. Then go back to the same settings, and to apply it, click on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!